Cosmetic pigments are coloring agents used in makeup products such as nail polish, lipstick, eyeshadow, lip gloss, soap, and other cosmetics. These pigments are quite expensive and not easily available in local markets. Today, I will show you that these pigments can be made at home in an easy and fun way using easily available ingredients at home. So let's get started. First, take a 1 teaspoon of ready-made aloe vera gel in a bowl, then add 1 teaspoon of food color and mix well. This food color is easily available in supermarkets for 5 to 10 rupees. When you're done mixing, add 2 to 3 drops of any facial oil that you have. I am adding almond oil. Now add 1 tablespoon of baby powder or starch and mix well. Now, make some more pigments with the same method, but this time use less brown food coloring to make brown pigments. Now, I'm taking a bit of brown and a bit of red food coloring to make a nice shade of peach pigment. To make a nude light pigment, I'm taking a little brown food coloring and the same amount of other ingredients as before. Look how beautiful it turned out now. I will keep this plate in my living room for 2 days. After 2 days, our pigments are ready. Let's strain these pigments and store in containers for long-term use. I have made some other pigments using the same method. You can also experiment with mixing colors to create different shades. It's a lot of fun. I work so hard to bring you new ideas, so give this video a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. You can comment your challenge in the comment section. I will try to make anything for you and will give you shout out in the end of the video. Please make sure to subscribe for all upcoming videos like this. These pigments are storable for 3 years and are completely safe for anyone to use. Now I will test my homemade pigment. I took aloe vera gel, oil, and my homemade pigments in this small container, and it will turn into a beautiful tint for lips and cheeks. Wow, this is so beautiful. I love it! If you like my video, please like and share it. If you have any questions about the video, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I love hearing from you. That's it for today. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep smiling.